Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the fourth match here in round 3. The second in our doubleheader. Scores are St. Mary High on 6 points, Ardenne High on 8. As we get into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. St. Mary High, you won the toss, decided to go first, so it's time for your first minute. In which epistle in the Bible does Paul state that nothing shall separate him from the love of God? Sorry?
Romans.
Correct. Is the disease cholera caused by a protist, bacterium, or virus?
Bacterium.
That's right. What is the English translation for the Latin phrase inter alia?
Among other things.
Correct. What is the first name of the U.S. First Lady, wife of the President?
Jill.
Correct. Which South American country is known as the Land of Grace?
Venezuela.
That's right. Saudi Arabia is one of 2 countries which have the longest coastlines on the Red Sea. What is the other?
Pakistan.
Egypt. Who composed the opera The Queen of Spades?
All right. Eric Stern.
Tchaikovsky. What is the symbol and atomic number for the element gallium?
31. Ga.
Correct. What is tan 120 degrees in surd form?
Root 3. Negative.
Minus root 3. The negative came late, judges. St. Mary, who is the lead actress in the movie Parallel Mothers?
Charlize Theron.
Penelope Cruz. Operation Red Dog was the name given to an attempted coup in which Caribbean country in 1981? And we won't have time for that. That's Dominica. Well done, St. Mary, for your first minute. Ardenne High, coming over to you now for your first minute. In which of the Gospels does Jesus state, I am the Good Shepherd?
St. John.
Correct. Is the disease chicken pox caused by a protist, bacterium, or virus?
Virus.
Correct. What is the English translation for the Latin phrase status quo?
Way of being.
Existing state of affairs. Judges, what is the first name of the wife of the British Prime Minister?
Pass.
Carrie. Which South American country is known as the land of the Incas?
Peru.
Correct. 4 countries occupy the Horn of Africa. 3 of them are Somalia, Ethiopia, and Eritrea. What is the 4th?
Djibouti.
Correct. Who composed the opera Der Rosenkavalier?
Puccini.
Strauss. What is Richard Strauss? What is the symbol and atomic number for the element selenium?
Se34.
Good. What is cosine 150 degrees in surd form?
30. So, root 3 over 2.
Minus. Incorrect. Who is the lead actor in the movie Cyrano?
Peter Dinklage.
Correct. Which former Prime Minister of Dominica was found guilty and jailed in 1985 for his role in Operation Red Dog? That was Patrick John. Well done, Arden, for your first minute. St. Mary, coming back over to you now for your second minute. Mohammed Shami plays for India, correct? What is the conventional symbol and case for Boltzmann's constant?
K. Come on.
Correct. What is the warning in English for the Spanish no fumar?
Do not smoke.
No smoking, correct. All the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players is a quote
As
from
you
which
like
Shakespeare play, correct. Which church organization runs the Northern Caribbean University in Jamaica?
Pass.
Seventh-day Adventists. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Is the opening line of which psalm?
27.
Correct. What is the more common name for the pharyngotympanic tube?
The auditor. Eardrum.
Eustachian tube. Using the word nut, give a figurative expression which means a person hard to convince.
A hard nut to crack.
Correct. Who is the opposition spokesperson on finance in Jamaica?
Julian Robinson.
Correct. Sure and steadfast is the motto of which youth male organization?
YMCA.
Boys Brigade. In which African country is the port of Alexandria located?
Egypt.
That's right. Who composed the Pomp and Circumstance March? And we won't have time for your answer to that. That's Sir Edward Elgar. Very well done, St. Mary, for your second minute. Arden, coming back over to you now for your second minute. Keegan Peterson plays cricket for which country?
Pakistan.
South Africa. What is the conventional symbol and case for the gravitational constant?
Capital G.
That's right. What is the warning in English for the Spanish no estacionar?
No parking.
Correct. What's in a name? A rose by any other name would spell
Romeo
as
and Juliet.
sweet is from?
Romeo and Juliet.
Correct. What is the current name of the high school in Jamaica formerly known as West Indies College High?
College. Northern Caribbean University.
Victor Dixon High. In the Bible, which prophet states that those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength and mount
Isaiah.
up with... Correct. What is a single word for the cavity at the back of the nose just above the soft palate?
The oral cavity.
That's the nasopharynx. Using the word duck, give a figurative expression which means something said that has no effect on the person to whom it is directed.
Water off a duck's back.
Correct. Who is the opposition spokesperson on tourism in Jamaica?
Janice Allen.
Correct. What is the motto of the Boy Scouts International?
Pass.
Be prepared. In which African country is Port Harcourt located?
Country. Nigeria.
Correct. Who composed the London Symphonies?
HW.
Joseph Haydn. What is the atomic? And we won't have time. Well done, Ardenne, for your second minute. St. Mary High, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the atomic weight of iron to the nearest whole number?
56.
Good. What is the 10th term of the series? 1, 3, 5, 7.
7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 21.
19. Who is the director of the 2021 movie West Side Story?
Where's that weird? Steven Spielberg.
That's right. Which political party was founded by Eric Gary in Grenada in 1950?
Grenada Labour Party.
Sorry?
Grenada Labour Party.
Grenada United Labour Party. Which schools contested the DaCosta Cup finals in Jamaica in January 2022? That's right. In the electrical resistance formula, R equals rho L over A. What does rho represent? Sorry?
Density.
Resistivity of the conductor. What is the equivalent English expression for por orden de llegada?
Pass.
First come, first served. Who wrote the play No Exit?
Jean-Paul Sartre.
Correct. Which teachers' college in Jamaica was formerly known as the Jamaica Female Training College?
Sharwood Teachers College.
That's right. In which epistle does Paul write, I can do all things
Philippians.
through Christ? Yes. And that's the bell. Well done, St. Mary, for your third and final minute. Arden, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the 8th term in the series? 1, 2, 4, 8.
Pass.
128. Who is the director of the 2021 movie The Power of the Dog?
Jamaican.
That's right. In what year was Grenadian Prime Minister Maurice Bishop assassinated?
1983.
Good. Which schools were the losing semi-finalists in the DaCosta Cup in January in Jamaica?
That's Clarendon College and Denton High School.
Clarendon and Dintil Tech, correct. What is the value of the constant in the mathematical expression of Coulomb's law?
So 8.99 times 10 to the 9 Newton meter squared per Coulomb squared.
Judges, that sounds correct. What is the English translation for the warning sign? Resbaladiza cuando está mojada?
Slippery when wet.
That's right. Who wrote the play Tambourines to Glory?
Earl Hill.
Langston Hughes. Which teachers' college in Jamaica was formerly known as the Granville Teachers College?
Sam Sharp. Sam Sharp Teachers College.
Sam Sharp is correct. In which book of the Bible is it stated, trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your
Proverbs.
own understanding? Correct. ARDS is a medical condition affecting the lungs.
Acute respiratory distress syndrome.
Say that again.
Acute respiratory distress syndrome.
I believe that came before the bell, judges. That is correct. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores in the match look to be St. Mary High on 27, Ardenne High just ahead on 28. When we come back, it'll be time for what's shaping up to be an exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. This fourth match in round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.